Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, if your laptop or system screen is stuck and freezed, so I will show you 3 steps how to fix this issue. So in order to fix this issue, we need to refresh the graphic driver on your computer or laptop. So you need to press Ctrl Shift Windows and B key together. Ctrl Shift Windows and B key together, and your window will refresh like this. If your issue is not resolved with the first step, you need to try Control Alt and Delete button together. And once you open it, you should be able to get your windows like this. Now you need to restart your windows from here like this. Simply restart it. If this is also not working, I will show you how to fix it also. In the third step, again you need to press Control Alt and Delete button together. Control Alt and Delete. Once you see it, you need to open the Task Manager option, and you need to look for Windows Explorer here. Press W on your keyboard. Here is W, and look for Windows Explorer. This one. You need to right click on it and simply restart it. If your utilization is high on your computer and due to that reason your system is hanging or stucking, click on the highest option. Then you need to right click on that one and simply end the task which application is running. If you are not able to click anywhere on it, so we need to power drain our system. So in order to power drain our system, remove all the external cables including all the mouse, charger, and once you remove all the external cables, we need to press and hold the power button for 15 seconds to make sure shut it down properly. Now you need to leave your system for at least 1 minute. And once you leave your system for 1 minute, now turn it on. And your issue will be fixed. So these are the fixes to fix this issue guys. I hope your issue is fixed now. If your issue is fixed, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.